What's going on, y'all? Y'all seen the thumbnail? And I know you see this good food right here. We finna grill us up some hamburgers. We got our hamburger meat 80/20. We got our grill, our hamburger buns, and everything else that we need, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So look at that beautiful ground beef, y'all. So let's go ahead and form our patties. Now, I had 1 pound ground beef, so these gonna be 1/4 pound patties. And all we doing here is trying to get a nice patty for us to fry up right quick. And once our patties are formed, time to rain on them, y'all. Put them with a little salt. A little pepper. And today we gonna hit them with a little bit of that Cajun seasoning. Me, Tony Chaudhry, of course. And then we gonna get our burgers onto this grill. Oh yeah, don't they look tasty already? And we ain't even bit into them. And as soon as we get that nice crust on one side, you know it's time to give it a flip to flip. Gotta give it a flip to flip. Gotta cook that other side, y'all. And oh yeah, you know we got to melt some American cheese on top. Now wifey, she wanted cheddar cheese. So you know I gotta hook my wifey up. I know she love that cheddar. But guess what, y'all? You gonna look at me all crazy when I said I gonna put me a little brie on here. That's a little bit of that creamy brie cheese. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. So once we reach our target temp, we're gonna go ahead and get our burgers off. Now for me, that's 155. And for wifey's, we had to go ahead and let her steam to melt that cheese a little bit. But anyway, let's build our burger. And we're gonna start off with some of that chicken liver pate. And then we're gonna hit it with that burger. Next, you know I gotta have me some tomato and some lettuce. Gotta have that. And look at that finished product, y'all. That top bun, that lettuce and tomatoes. We got some french fries here, potato and sweet potato. Both fries, y'all. And oh my goodness, I really enjoyed myself. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.